Los Angeles, California has got to be home to some of the world's most lavish architecture, and a man known as the King of Brentwood Development has several of the city's most extravagant properties under his belt, catering to only the ultra-rich. Recently delivering yet another jaw-dropping, eye-popping structure, we are in amazement and can't wait for you guys to see what we have for you today. Welcome back to the Grand Luxury. Here in this video, we tour a $45 million modern mega mansion in Los Angeles, boasting some of the most extravagant amenities. Get ready to see what $45 million gets you. You don't want to miss this one. Do you live in an expensive crib yourself? Let us know in the comments section below how much your pad is worth and what you love about it. Share the wealth with us here. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into it. A preview of what's ahead. Every room in a luxurious house should have at least a wow factor, right? According to Ramtin Ray Nosrati, however, the phrase wow factor has always seemed cliched to him. It seems like every element of every room in the house must be a wow factor. Nothing short of extravagance no matter where you look. What else can you say when shown the walk-in refrigerator of restaurant quality, a glass-enclosed wine cellar that can hold as many as 500 bottles, bathrooms tiled floor-to-ceiling in patterned stone imported from Europe, or a game room with 9 enormous televisions? Man, the only word you can think of is definitely wow, sometimes leaving you simply at a lack of words, or even speechless. Here we will dive into each of these rooms and show you the glam of this modern-day palace. Who is Ramtin Ray Nosrati? Designer Ramtin Ray Nosrati of Huntington Estate Properties is renowned for stretching the limits of architecture, creating anything from pot gardens to basketball courts to healing rooms and garages for expensive racing cars. The wealthy and famous Nosrati has constructed more than 100 luxury residences in Los Angeles over the last 10 years. He has contributed to making the city a hotspot for those seeking to build extravagant luxury homes with their incredible riches. The Brentwood Oasis, a $45 million mansion in Los Angeles' affluent Brentwood area, is the most recent lavish house he sold, and we have the pleasure of sharing it with you guys today. Inside the Brentwood Oasis. Did I also mention the property sits on a private street with only 3 buildings on it? Yeah, well, it has that going for it too. The resort-esque property is a gated home with a total area of more than 1.2 acres, 18,000 square feet of interior space, and 30,000 square feet of outdoor space. Gourmet appliances, 3 rooftop decks, 7 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, and even a built-in private security group are all there to provide the highest privacy and protection 24 hours of the day. Living in your own bubble without a care in the world. If you love sports, you're gonna love this place. For one, if you love basketball, this place was created for you as it accommodates a half basketball court right off to the side edge of the house. Even the names of basketball greats like LeBron James, Kobe Bryant, Magic Johnson, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Dr. J, and Michael Jordan are mentioned around the house, with several pictures seen. In addition, 24 and Kobe are printed on the basketball court, which also sports the purple and yellow colors of the Los Angeles Lakers as a tribute to the late Bryant. You know you've got to buy this crib if you're this keen. The inside of the home is unusually open, allowing for more natural light to shine in, with large glass walls typical of that modern Californian construction. The dining room and great room each have 26-foot ceilings and a 1,000-gallon double-sided aquarium, separating the 2 living spaces. Close by is that fabulously unique staircase adjacent to a magnificent living wall made of plants and succulents, in addition to a cactus garden found at the bottom of the stairs. And just look at that marvelous chandelier in the middle of it all. Wow! Just down a level is the 10-vehicle showroom, which features floor-to-ceiling glass walls and exquisite lighting that illuminates a complete automotive collection, which is the most remarkable feature of the auto gallery. The garage has a parking space that can fit up to 12 cars, in case you need even more room. The driveway, which has various water features and palms, is accessible from the showroom, and your getaway escape in case you need to leave. The house also has a stylish full bar, a hair salon, a spa, and a couple's massage area. Additionally, a 2-story guest house with a movie theater designed with fiber optic starlight ceiling is also present. The good part, you ask? It is located right next to the main residence, so you won't be far from that exclusive theater ambiance. You might never need to leave your complex for necessities, given that there is also a rooftop bar and an edible vegetable garden. To find out more about the rest of this rockin' house, including the all-sports simulator room and the fun cave, you'll have to keep watching as it's right around the bend. If you are liking this stuff so far, please take a quick moment to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification to all so that you are aware of our next upload. This helps us out in a big way, and we appreciate you guys for helping us bring you the best content this way. Anyway, without more delay, other great amenities. Now let's take a look at the cooking areas. Right over the open concept kitchen, there is a second, more private chef's kitchen, having its very own door from the outside. The chef's kitchen is so cool. It could double as the main kitchen if need be, and has a different ambiance in terms of its color tone and feel. Both the main and chef's kitchens have beautiful countertop waterfall edges that are white and black. A common theme around the home's decor is chandeliers, and the kitchen has some lovely ones as well that adds to the overall comfortable ambiance of the space in an otherwise enormous room. The chef's kitchen features a walk-in refrigerator that appears to have been taken from a busy restaurant. All of the living and eating areas on the first floor have large glass walls and face out into the front lawn, which has a large lavish infinity pool and comfortable sitting areas. The outdoor kitchen is the second main kitchen the house has, and it contains a large pizza oven, barbecue, and LED TV that allows you to prepare meals outside and sit down in front of a cozy movie outdoors, just in case you're having family time or hosting a couple of friends so that y'all can have enough room together inside and out. Next, there is an all-sports simulator room where you can quite literally play many sports digitally. Like playing golf? It's got a simulator for that. Once you have done that and hit the in-house gym, make your way next door to the indoor spa that contains a hot tub that can be transformed into a cold plunge pool, as well as a pool with jets that create a current you can swim against for a nice exercise. There is a dual massage room for resting and recovery, especially after those intense weightlifting sessions at your very own full-range gym. Told you this place is a resort. Who'd ever want to leave? Nosrati refers to the main game area as the Fun Cave, which has a video wall with 9 TVs that can all be set to the same channel or to play entirely different shows. Just imagine how cool it would be to play Grand Theft Auto or Call of Duty on this one. The 10-car auto gallery is right next to the Fun Cave, so partygoers can see the owner's collection of exotic rides while enjoying themselves further. There is also a barbershop section nearby where you can get a haircut. Stepping outside is the half basketball court, which has the best views of the entire city since it's on a floating platform. How about those morning basketball warm-ups to get the heart pumping? The house features 3 decks. One is for relaxing, and the other is a 3-hole putting green. The final area is a roof deck with a garden that grows 6 marijuana plants. Sounds like the sort of space that Snoop Dogg would definitely also enjoy hanging out at. But where would he stay? Well, the property has 4 distinct yet equally amazing guest suites that are located on the second floor. Each suite is equipped with large beds and a nice sitting area. One of the suites opens up to an outdoor space with a fire pit, palm trees, and is cantilevered. Forget about going to a hotel resort when you can vibe here, right? Wait, there's more? Yep. Each guest suite has a bathroom of its own, with a lovely stone wall that matches the floating vanity. Next up, let's see what the bedroom has in store. The main bedroom features a private terrace with views of the grounds below, 2 incredible large walk-in closets, an espresso machine, a small fridge, and bathrooms. The bedroom features a king-sized bed to go with its spaciousness. The wall behind the bed is nicely padded, with lights coming down to the bed from the extravagant cove ceiling. It has the same hardwood floor as with most parts of the house, a horizontal fireplace, an enormous TV, and automatic doors that open inside the walls. The bedroom's bathroom is unlike any other and is simply incredible as it is massive and also twice the size of the actual bedroom. The bathroom has stone floors with floating vanity and stunning stone wall designs. The shower is loaded with some of the best amenities a shower could ever have. In general, the entire building is so well detailed and finished to the taste of the wealthiest. We've come to the end of today's video. What did you think of this enormous crib? How much do you guys think it would cost to maintain such a space? What about the property taxes alone? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to all so that you never miss an update from us. We are growing and someday we'll do some pretty awesome giveaways, so stay tuned. We continue to provide you guys 3 videos every week, so get ready for our next one. Until then, make sure to check out some of our older content, as it's sure to provide you hours of entertainment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.